Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to get the Claude Pro plan, which includes Claude Opus, Claude Fable, all the premium AI models. You can get this plan for totally free. What you need to do, go to Google, simply type Claude for higher education. So basically they have a student program that they have launched recently. Simply type Claude for higher education. And the very first official website which comes, uh, you can click the very first website introducing Claude for education. They recently launched this on April 2nd, 2025. So you need to actually prove that you are a student. It can be a college, university, learning mode. So basically, this is totally free for university students. First of all, you need to prove that you are a student. So you can read more about it inside this web page. I recently checked it out, and they have a program called as Claude Campus Ambassadors or for student builders. So basically, if you can prove that, you can get this for totally free. And in the last, they have exactly told us to get started with Claude for education and learning mode. You can actually click this link and fill out this simple form. So they have this form right here that you can fill out and send the request. This will actually, you click on this, navigating AI in higher education together. So universities and colleges, so click on contact our education team. So as soon as you do this, it will redirect you to a form. So basically you need to fill out your first name, last name. It can be your school email address. It doesn't have to be your personal email, only your school email. Your phone number, you fill out job title, your university college name, institution name, website, what type of institution are you? Are you a university college or you just basically select this, how many seats you are interested in. You simply select here and simply just tell more about you, why you are contacting Anthropic Education team, what sort of plan that you are interested in, and simply click submit. After you submit this form, you will get a notification email in some days where they will exactly tell you whether you are eligible for their Claude Pro plan or not. You can even click Claude Campus Ambassador, sign up to be a student builder. You can even click these links as well. So this is the official legal way by which you can get their Claude Pro plan for totally free. For now, applications have closed. They actually launched this program Spring 2026 Campus program. But you can actually stay tuned, simply refresh this page. Anytime they can open the applications and then you can submit this. And same goes for this as well. Applications have closed. So you can fill out this form right here. First of all, fill out this form, simply submit this and contact their education team. And if they actually accept your invitation, then you might be able to also join these applications as well, which are closed. So this is the official way by which guys you can get selected for their Claude Pro plan. So they have launched this program, education program specifically for students which belong to colleges and universities. So Claude for education program that they have launched. So definitely visit this, hit the like button, subscribe the channel for more videos like this, and also comment on this video whether you are actually interested in this or not.